Good morning, children. I am your teacher, Vittal Matriculation School. Today, last class, we all learned usage of this and that. This means idu, that means adu. This is a cat. That is a book. That is a book. This is an apple. That is a jug. This is a bus. That is a lamp. This is a boy. That is a girl. This is a cow. That is an axe. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks. This is a hat. This is a cow. That is a pot. This is a book. That is an apple. Tick the correct sentence to match the picture. This is a rat. Correct or wrong? Tick the correct sentence only. So you put wrong. This is a cat. This one is correct. So you put tick. That is an egg. This correct, children? No. So you put wrong symbol. That is a cup. It's a correct word. That is a cup. C-U-P, cup. So you put tick. So we are learned last class this usage of this and that. Today we have to learn singular plural. Say spelling S-I-N-G. Singular. U-L-A-R. Singular. Plural. P-L-U-R-A-L. Plural. Singular. Plural. Singular means only one thing. Only one object. So plural means one more. One more object is called a plural. Okay. For example, B-A-T, bat. Only one bat here. So singular. B-A-T, bat. Then have two bats. So plural. B-A-T-S. You add. Plural means you add S. Bats. B-A-T, bat. Plural. B-A-T-S. You add S means it's called a plural. B-A-T-S, bats. Then P-I-N, pin. What is this? Pin. P-I-N, pin. This plural form, pins. You add S. So pins. P-I-N-S. Pins. Plural. Then only one cup here. So it's called a singular. C-U-P. Cup. So plural form C-U-P-S. Cups. Then only one apple here. So A-P-P-L-E. Apple. Singular form. So more apple. So plural forms. A-P-P-L-E-S. Apples. Then only one hen here. So singular form. Ken. H-E-N. Hen. Here two hens here. So plural form. H-E-N-S. You add S means that is plural form. H-E-N-S. Hens. M-A-N. Man. But here one more man here. But didn't use S. Why? This man plural form is E only change. M-A-N. Man na singular. M-E. You change. A only you change. E means plural form. Man, plural form men. M-E-N. Men. So now recall singular plural. Singular, plural. Singular forms B-A-T, bat, B-A-T-S, bats, P-I-N, pin, P-I-N-S, pins, C-U-P, cup, C-U-P-S, cups, A-P-P-L-E, apple, A-P-P-L-E-S, apples, H-E-N, hen, H-E-N-S, hens, M-A-N, man, M-E-N, men. This singular, plural. Okay, children. Now, tick the correct one. How many balloons here, children? One. We start count. 1, 2, 3. 3 balloons here. This one singular or plural? Yes, balloon. Plural form. So, B-A-L-L-O-O-N, balloon. Only one balloon here now. You tick this one. But here one more balloons. 1, 2, 3 balloons. So, balloon is a plural form. So, this one. B-A-L-L-O-O-N-S, balloons. This one correct. All of you put this one, balloons. Okay. How many boys here? 2 boys here. So, singular, plural, plural. Plural forms B-O-Y. This one plural? No. B-O-Y-S, boys. This one you add yes. So, this one plural. So, you all of you tick this box. Boys. B-O-Y-S, boys. How many bag here? Only one bag. So, singular or plural? Singular. Yeah. B-A-G, bag. Bag is a singular or plural? Singular. So, this one correct you put here. B-A-G-S, bags. Bags is a singular or plural? Plural. So, didn't correct. Only one bag here. So, you put here bag only. B-A-G, bag. Then, how many ducks here? What is the picture? Ducks. How many ducks here? Shall we start count? 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. One more than ducks here. So, it's a plural or singular? Plural. So, D-U-C-K, duck. Duck is a singular. D-U-C-K-S, ducks. Ducks is a plural. So, all of you tick here the box. This one correct form. Then, how many cap here? Only one cap. What is this? Cap. What is this? Cap. How many caps here? Only one cap. So, which one is plural form, singular form? C-A-P, cap. C-A-P-S. This, it is add yes. So, didn't correct. Only one cap here. So, write singular box. C-A-P. Only this box. Singular box. You put tick. Then, how many pencil here? What is this? Pencil. How many color pencil or? Yeah, color pencil. How many pencil here? Shall we start count? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more than pencil here. So, this is a plural form. P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. This one singular form. This is not correct. Then another than P-E-N, pen. C-I-L-S, cells, pencils. You add yes. So, this one is plural form. All of you tick this box. Correct one. Then, what is this? What is this? Nuts. What is this? Groundnut. Nuts. How many nuts here? 1, 2, 3 nuts. One more than nuts here. So this is called a plural form. Okay va? N-U-T, nut. This is plural or singular form. This one singular form. But here plural form here. So this box not correct. Then another N-U-T-S, nuts. N-U-T-S, nuts. This add S here. So this one is correct. All of you put here the box. We are going to next. Okay, what is this, children? Yeah, books. How many books here? 3 books. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 books here. 3 books here. So this is a singular or plural form? Plural form. So shall we read this one? B-O-O-K. Book. This singular or plural? Yeah, singular. So here plural form here. So did not correct this one. Next we are going to next. B-O-O-K. Yes. Yes. Add yes. So this one is correct. Plural form. Then what is this? Star. What is this? Star. How many stars here? Only one star. So called a singular form. S-T-A-R. Star. S-T-A-R. Star. This one is correct. All of you put here the box. Put tick. Okay, children. Today we are learn singular, plural. Singular, plural. What's the means of singular? Only one things now is called a singular. Only one object is called a singular. One more object here now it is called a plural. Okay, only one. B-A-T, bat. Only one bat here. So it is called a singular form. Singular object. B-A-T, bat. This one, bats. B-A-T-S. Add S. So it is called a plural form. Plural object. Then P-I-N, pin. How many pins here? One more than pins here. So it's a plural form. P-I-N-S. Add also S. S also add. So that is plural form. Here singular form C-U-P, cup. Then plural form C